I'm going to be opening a lot of squishies. But some of them I already opened. So, yeah. Right, Mommy?
Right. But we'll just show them what we got.
Yeah. So, first I got these little mini dumplings. I have a white one. And I have a pink one. They're both kind of white. But this one's pink, this one's white. Okay. And this came together. So we got this, and these little axolotls came with this. So yeah. And then we got this ball. It sticks to the window or something. And then we got a chicken nugget. A chicken nugget. And that's all that I got from Spencer's. And then next I got this bag. And I got a peanut, a carrot, a banana, and a dumpling. And we got this. Really excited for it.
What is that one?
It's like a
That was squishy?
kind of. They have little like hard rocks in them.
Oh, let me see it. Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. And we got this rare dumpling, literally. I'm like, oh my gosh, Mommy, you're not going to believe what this is. And then we got...
Is that a chicken?
I think that's a duck or a chicken. It has fuzz on it. I like fuzz. I just don't like these little balls.
It's a little chicken.
It's a little fat duck. And these are the balls. I don't really like the balls on them, but yeah. And then we got a baby. I've always wanted one of the babies. Because Addie, I think, has one. She's my friend. And she, I think, has one of these baby dolls. And they're cute. Like, I'm not kidding. And now for this giant needle.
That's a giant needle.
Yeah, literally. Guys, go to the mall. And then you'll find all of this stuff there. Ooh.
I really like this. I think this one's my favorite.
That one's probably my favorite too. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely not going to be trading this. Look what I also got. Another one.
Oh.
I got a rainbow one. Mommy, if this one's more satisfying than this one, I'll get to play with this one, and then you can play with that one. But if this one's not as satisfying, can I have that one to play with?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think this one's as satisfying than the other one.
Let me see.
I just wanted the people from just drinking.
Oh, these are like little squares instead of little... These are little cubes.
Oh, I forgot to show them. And then we have this. Oh no, the time is almost running out.
Yeah, good, you still have 5 minutes.
This, and this, and
How many are in there?
4.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I forgot about my strawberry. My strawberry. Oh, guys, I'm gonna fuck up. Guys, you should really comment on these videos and subscribe, like, everything. Wait, did I get 2 of these?
I guess you did.
You can have this one.
Okay.
Guys, this is the double color. They have more, but I like this one the most because it is just like mustard colors. Oh my gosh, it's actually really better than like the actual ones. This one's a big one, but yeah, it doesn't matter really.
Oh, that one's nice. That one's better than the actual Neatos.
Yeah, I said that.
Wow. This is nice.
Okay, that's in this bag. And then time for the final bag. Oh my gosh. First, we have these mini needles. And then the giant cheese. Woo! And then we got this dumpling. And we got solid dumplings. Literally. Ugh. They're, right, Mommy? They're literally
They're super
solid.
hard. Yeah, they're super hard.
They're solid. That's what I like to say when things are really hard. Solid. And then we have the stretchy butter. Wait, it's actually a squishy.
Well, that is huge.
Here, you should play with it.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then we got this jelly. This. Oh no. We only have 2 things, I think.
Wait, did you open the big dumpling?
No, not yet. Guys, get surprised.
Oh.
It can stick to the window again. It's sticking.
Easy with my window, please.
Okay. I have 2 more things. Oh no, summer's running out. This, it's like a winter one.
More of a full one.
Yeah. And then
That feels nice.
time for the final one, the dumpling. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. You should get some squishies like me. See you next time.